Hello student. So in today's video we are going to learn about 12th standard chapter number 2, that is utility analysis, and its second part, types of utility. In first video I have explained features of utility, and in second we are going to learn about types of utility. So first of all, in short, we'll revise what is the meaning of utility. So utility means when a commodity have a power to satisfy our wants. Utility means when commodity has a power to satisfy our want, that is called utility. And utility analysis help us to understand consumer behavior to maximize satisfaction. Now, what are the types of utility? So number one is form utility. Form utility means when utility is created due to a change in the shape or structure of an existing material, that is called form utility. It means when suppose we having any material and we change the shape and structure of the material and we got something new, that is called form utility. Example, toys made of clay. As we know, we have to play with the we used to play with the clay when we were a child. So with the help of clay we can make toys, we can make many things. So the shape of clay transfer into toys. Same here, furniture. You can see here in the picture, with the help of wood we made door, chair, table, bench, etc. So form utility means when the shape and structure of any existing material change, that is called form utility. Number 2 is place utility. Place utility means when utility of a commodity increase due to change in its place. When utility of a commodity increase due to change in its place, that is called place utility. Such as woolen cloth. Woolen cloth has a more utility in a cold place compared to the very hot place. Same, transport create place utility. If suppose in one area the transportation is good, then automatically the area will get a place utility. Next is service utility. Service utility means service, it is arises when personal services are rendered. Render means to give. It is arises when personal services are rendered by various professional. Service utility means when we get service from various professions, such as service of doctor, teacher, lawyer, etc. When we not well, we used to go to the doctor and doctor gave us service and cure us. Same, when we want to do study, that time we used to go to the teacher, so teacher teaches us. Same, when we want the help of court, so we used to go to the lawyer. So service utility means when we get a services from a professions. Next is knowledge utility. It means when a consumer acquire knowledge about a particular product. Knowledge utility means when we get a knowledge with the help of use of particular product, such as mobile phone and computers. If we will understand all the functions of a mobile phone, computers, so we'll get a more and more utility of the products. Next is possession utility. It arises when the ownership of goods transfer from one person to another. Possession means to relate. The word possession utility means to relate. So possession utility arises when ownership of goods transfer from one person to another person. Such as whenever goods transfer from seller to buyer, that is called possession utility. You can see in the picture, the lady who is selling fruit, she is the owner of fruits. But when these two, that girl and boy, when they will buy the fruit, so afterward they will be the owner of the fruit. So possession utility means when ownership of goods transfer from one person to another person. Next is time utility. When the utility of a commodity increase with the change in its time of utilization, it's called time utility. when the utility of a commodity increase with the change in time of utilization is called time utility. Such as books. Books has a more utility for a student in an exam time compared to the vacation. Books has a more utility for a student in exam time compared to vacation. Same time utility is also observed when goods are stored and used at a time of scarcity. Scarcity means जब उसकी कमी हो. So time utility means sometime we store the goods and we use that goods when we require, such as blood bank. Blood bank, we the bank used to collect the blood and we can use that blood whenever we require it. You can see in the example, books, whenever books have a more utility when there is an exam compared to the vacation, and blood bank whenever we can use the blood bank help whenever we require it, and whenever there is a scarcity of a blood. So I hope so friends, this video will help you to clear your doubt about the types of utility. I will make a topic wise videos, so it will help you to focus on only one topic, will not include 2-3 topic together. So one topic will select, and so that it will be easy for you and it will not create a boredness in your mind. So please friend, share, like and subscribe my channel, send to your all friends, relatives, siblings, colleagues, and tell them to subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you. Be happy and stay at home. And if you want to see my all the videos from FI to till TYBCom, then you can write on YouTube Neetu Saad Nimbark. You will get all the videos. And if you have any demand that I should make this particular class video, then please write in a comment box so I can share it. And one more thing I want to tell you, I am preparing videos which are very important from exam point of view. So trust it and do study whatever videos I am preparing. Best of luck.